Okay, so conditional or operators. The requirements of our enrollment program have changed again. Certain courses have prerequisites that are satisfied by multiple courses. As long as students have taken at least one prerequisite, they should be allowed to enroll. So let's get straight to instructions. Number one, let's write a message inside reservation constructor that warns against bad input. Our restaurants can't seat parties of more than 8 people, and we don't want reservations for 0 or less because that would be silly. Inside reservation, write a conditional that uses the or operator. If count is less than 1 or greater than 8, we want to write the following message: invalid reservation. Or count is greater than 8. Sorry, what's that? Invalid reservation. So reservation confirmed. Please enjoy your meal. Reservation denied. Please enjoy your meal. All right. Conditional operators. Logical not, which is the exclamation mark. The unary operator not exclamation mark works on a single value. This operator evaluates the opposite boolean to which it's applied. So not false is equal to true, and not true is equal to false. So instructions number one, let's make inform user more informative. If their reservation is not confirmed, they should know. Write an if then else statement and use the not operator with is confirmed as the condition. If their reservation is not confirmed, write unable to confirm reservation, please contact restaurant. Else write please enjoy your meal. So if is not is confirmed, and we're gonna go ahead and print out unable to confirm reservation. Please contact restaurant. Else please enjoy your meal. Okay, so reservation confirmed, please enjoy your meal. Combining conditional operators, we have the ability to expand our Boolean expressions by using multiple conditional operators in a single expression. For example, Boolean foo is equal to true and not false or not true. So instructions. Take a look at the three expressions in operators.java. Using your understanding of the order of execution, find out whether the value of each expression is true or false. When you're ready, uncomment the print statements to find out if you are right. Thanks a lot. Consider liking and subscribing.